Hello friends, welcome back to a new video of Divya. Today I am going to do a flower petals in water experiment. So for that I have taken many flowers petals, rose, bougainvillea, like that many flower petals. Now using my hands I am going to put these petals in a small bottle filled with water. So I am taking petals and putting it in a so like that I have put in all the flower petals in the bottle. So friends, we have to wait till 3 to 5 hours so that so after 3 to 5 hours we will observe that the water will become the flower petal colors. And so for that we have to wait 4-5 hours. Color of flower petals get into the water and thus the water became colorful. So friends, I'm so sorry to tell you that this experiment will take 24 hours, which is one whole day. But now you can see it is so pink, it is so beautiful to watch, and also the bright pink color, it's so beautiful, and it is also so amazing to see the flower petals moving around the pink rose color water. So it is so beautiful that you can see now. So our experiment worked, guys. Worked. So beautiful. Wow. So pink. So friends, thank you for watching my video. Kindly like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye bye.